Hello all, I am Jay Baran. Today I am going to talk about the role of physics in food. Today we are going to discuss about three topics: the methods to prevent the spoiling of food using physics, the role of physics in water, and also the physics behind the whipped cream. The First, let's talk about the methods to prevent spoiling of food using physics. The food can be spoiled in many ways. So, how can we prevent that? We can use physics to solve the problem. There are many methods to prevent the spoiling of food. But using physics, we are going to discuss about uh, three main applications like high pressure processing, pulsed electric field, ultraviolet rays. Using these processes, we can increase the life of the food. Uh, and also we can store them for a long time. In this high pressure processing, the high pressure is given to the food so that the the pathogen's life is affected. So food is mostly water, so high pressure does not crush it and does not affect the taste or nutritional value. In pulse electric field, the food is placed in two electrodes and a pulse is given and used mainly to enhance the quality of food. In ultraviolet rays, all the microbes are killed, and so that the food is free from bacteria and other organisms that can spoil the food. Next, the proteins. Proteins function around the water. Proteins mm, have a relationship with water and with water. Proteins always have a single layer of water around them. Water layer is reason why freezing does not kill microbes. Even freeze-dried foods have water layer. Next, we are going to talk about the physics in water. Physics in water is a major thing. Water has three states: liquid, gas, and solid. This all comes under the physics. The ice floats due to hydrogen being spaced further as particles compared to the usual arrangement. Tetrahedron is a four hydrogen bond that forms between the water molecules. In food, either water is added or removed or altered in different and based on the situations we are going to use water. There are some properties of the, from the there are some properties that affect the food. The physical properties like hydrophobic and also the role of heat plays a major role so that with hydrophobic, the oil and water emulsibility inability of two liquids to mix. The water is dipolar and the fat has triglycerides or not. The again with pH this change in proteins that have lipids and proteins but the fat will not. Role of heat. Oil is not passive in cooking. Melting point temperature where a fat begins liquid. And the smoke point is where the volatile material gives up smoke. And the flash point is that even without any induction, it forms fire. Next, we are going to talk about the osmosis of water. Osmosis takes place in all canned fruits and microbes can water a concentration of 80%, where the salt and sugar at 40 to 50%. Osmosis is the flow of molecules from higher concentration to a lower concentration. Do you know why all vegetables wilt? Because they because turgor is a physical property. Water pressure in cells to keep things like vegetable crisps. Salt from dressings will take out water. Next, another topic is pH adjustment. The pH will change all the properties of the food. Well, You may have curds and whey. Acid and vinegar stop the amino acids from bonding, which cause the curds. pH also plays a major role in food preparation. In cereals, the surface tension makes the food surface cave inside in the middle of the bowl because the water molecules in the bowl are attracted to the glass. For this reason, the pieces of cereal near the edges float upwards along this curve, appearing as if they are clinging to the edge. Also, because of this surface tension, the cereals floating in the middle of your bowl dense and the milk surface, creating a dip in it. Physics behind whipped cream. We all know whipped cream is made from cream which is whipped under high pressure, and it is served on all types of foods. It's actually two major principles of physics involved in making these delicious white fluffs. One is liquefied gas and another is shear thinning. When the cream is beaten at high pressure, the when the when the heat when the cream is with the gas and it's under high pressure, it forms air bubbles and it becomes fluffy. And when the air bubbles are trapped inside the cream, making the cream so fluffy. And in second method, shear thinning, it's coming out of liquid, sits on the top of whatever you drink as it's a solid. Thank you. In this way, in this way, physics plays a very major role in our day-to-day life, and also it helps to make our food delicious and and helps in our cooking. Thank you.